I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what I am a cat you want: original text, annotated edition, or a modern translation. Once decided, check the ISBN and preferred format right away so you avoid mismatches. Make sure to compare prices across sellers and libraries. A local library loan saves money, while a specific ISBN ensures consistent pagination. Don't linger. Add the exact edition to a cart or place a hold at your library so the acquisition process moves immediately. You proceed by ordering or downloading the book. If buying, choose a reputable seller and confirm the ISBN and return policy before checkout. This protects you if the edition is wrong. For ebooks, download the EPUB or MOBI and open it to check chapter structure and metadata. Once a physical copy arrives, inspect binding, page numbers, and publication details to verify it's the edition you wanted. If anything's off, initiate a return or contact the seller immediately. You finish by syncing the ebook to your preferred reader and enabling annotations and backups so notes persist across devices. If using a library, place holds early and set reminders for due dates or renewals to avoid late fees. If a downloaded file is corrupted or the physical edition is incorrect, make sure to contact the seller or library, request a replacement or refund, and document the issue with photos or screenshots to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.